Ciao dear Sicily lovers, I'm Rosella
I'm Gianca.
and we help you enjoy amazing experiences in Sicily, our beloved island.
As you know, we provide custom private tours of Sicily all year round, and 3 or 4 times per year our ideal Tour of Sicily, that's a group tour reserved for 20 people, and it's named Sicily Lovers Tour. Maybe you already know that all our 2025 editions of the Sicily Lovers Tour are sold out, so by popular demand we decided to release another edition in October 2025.
When?
Do you remember the dates? Yes, it takes place from October the 4th to October 13th, 2025. And we look forward to taking care of you. If you join the tour within the end of the year, you save the 10%, so you get the discount, a 10% discount.
Just visit our website,
Yes.
bestthingstodoinsicily.com, and secure your spot. You will enjoy Sicily to the fullest, with the best accommodations, the great experiences with locals, terrific food and wine experiences, and what else, Gianca?
The best locations of Sicily, of course, are included in the itinerary. So, what about if they can join our Sicily Lover Tour?
Of course, we can put together a memorable experience for you, a custom private tour of Sicily according to your needs and passions.
And that's valid all year round.
So we look forward to taking care of you.
Love
Hugs
and kisses.
from Sicily!
Ciao!
Ciao dear Sicily lovers!
Ciao!